Oh, that's a funny pose. So we're about to set sail. Knew you were going to say that.
Did you?
So predictable. So we've got all the camping stuff. We need to just find a way to not take so much. So we're going to head over there.
We're going over across to the beach to set up a kayak camp for the evening. Hoping that none of us fall in or none of our equipment falls in. We've got enough dry bags to
Protect everything.
I don't know.
This is the before. Okay, let's go.
This is our camp spot for this evening. Okay, Sherpa, Michelle. Hi. Oh, aren't you good? It's a bit steep there, isn't it?
Gets steeper at the end.
How's that?
Oh, I'm dying.
Oh, you've done so well.
Right.
The size of that bag you've got on. Christ. It's all going to be worth it for this view.
Well, see.
Cheers.
Wine?
A hidden gem in the Lake District.
Yeah.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers. Et voila. Caribbean rice, meatballs, peppers. What do you think?
It's good.
She's happy.
Yummy.
Images.
They're bad.
I don't think you can see them. Probably not. Bag. One of my nose.
Ew.
Wait, where are they? This one. You squashed that one.
Watch that one.
Pan round. Boof!
Tent.
Tent is there.
Yeah.
And then if I just stand up, we've got all our gear here. God, we don't travel light, do we?
No.
We've got people are down there, Gemma.
Really?
Yeah.
We need a patio set up.
Huh?
We need to set our patio up.
Mm. It's incredible, isn't it?
It's beautiful.
Love to do this on Sky. There's loads of people. So it looks up. Sophie's gonna run down.
Sophie.
No.
No. No. Shush, shush, shush.
Now you can see the midges. Swarms of them over here. I know.
Yeah.
We're not wimps though.
No.
This is the Safi show. What are you up to now, Gemma?
Nothing.
Nothing.
No, nothing. Right.
There is it. Somebody's tired.
Tired.
Saf is. You were saying? You got a patio? Or a patio?
Yeah, we got a patio.
You have got a patio. Come see.
What's that?
I couldn't get the big peg in, so I've improvised. What do you reckon?
What is it? A twig?
Yeah. We'll just go down here and then like pop back up. Yeah? How far down should I go? You better not have. Yeah, you blend into the mountain.
Same amount. Which is like next to nothing. Last drop of wine left.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We good?
All good.
Trusty little Nordisk tent, love it. Sophie loves her blanket. She ran over there just to get onto the blanket and she moved it all.
Oh, she's nestled in.
She is nestled in. Think she's ready for bed.
Bless her. Good night, everyone.
Good night. Okay, so
we're having barrel-aged breakfast style, even though it's clearly nighttime, with coffee and vanilla from Grand Afric Brewery. If you couldn't see that. And it's been, you know, it embraces the darkness, an intense and roasted abyss of liquid libation. I don't know what that means. You've got a mouth on your hand.
I know.
A robustly decadent beer with flaked oats, toast oats, and lactose for a full-bodied and creamy mouthfeel. Matured for 3 years in Speyside whiskey barrels, and then infused with a bold and richly flavoured espresso blend from our caffeinated friends around the corner from us, Russell and Adams. Boo, boo, boo.
Well, Adams and Russell.
I know, I don't know why I read that back
I
to
don't
front.
know why.
I think I'm a bit dyslexic. Cheers.
Cheers. Can't see.
Good morning.
Yeah. Good
We are.
morning.
Oh,
We are on. And this is 7:20 in the morning. Glorious sunshine. Blue sky.
It's going to be a hot one today.
It's gonna be a hot one, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks like we'll be in the water today.
Yeah. What is it you've got there?
It is chickpea and lentil dal. It's really scrummy. It's also got some spinach in it, some nigella seeds, some other spices. It's really good. Thank you.
And why is it important you warm up, Gemma?
Because I fell in the lake.
Off your paddleboard.
I fell off the paddleboard. I was like, oh look, Michelle, there's the tent. And I went, what? Boomf. And I couldn't get back on it in the water. So I had to swim to the shore. There's loads of people around.
We tried, didn't we?
Are you okay? I was like, yeah. I'm more confident in the water than I am out of the water, so I'm absolutely fine. I was more worried about my phone. But
which is fine, isn't it?
yeah, thankfully. This case works, people. My phone is okay.
So we're on our final morning. It's 8:39 a.m. and we've packed up the tent, got everything in our vessels. So this is us bidding you a farewell until the next adventure. Anything you want to say?
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye for now. Leave you with this view.